Section T6D is about component functions in real circuits. This ties together what we've learned about basic components and semiconductors. We'll cover rectifiers, relays, regulators, transformers, meters, LEDs, integrated circuits, resonant circuits, and shielding. Which of the following devices or circuits changes an alternating current into a varying direct current signal? B. Rectifier. A rectifier uses diodes to convert alternating current or AC to direct current. Instead of the signal varying from positive to negative, the rectified output only flows in one direction. A transformer changes voltage levels. An amplifier increases signal magnitude, and a reflector is an antenna element and not an electronic circuit. What is a relay? A. An electrically controlled switch. A relay is an electrically controlled switch. A small current energizes an electromagnetic or coil which physically moves contacts to open or close a separate circuit. This allows a lower power control to switch a higher power load. Relays are used in antenna switching, amplifier control, and many other ham radio applications. Which of the following is a reason to use shielded wire? C. To prevent coupling of unwanted signals to or from the wire. Shielded wire has a metal layer, braid or foil, that acts like a Faraday cage, preventing radio frequency energy from coupling to or from the conductor. This blocks unwanted interference both ways. It keeps external signals from getting in and prevents the wire signal from radiating out. Shielding doesn't affect resistance or current capacity. Which of the following displays an electrical quality as a numeric value? C. Meter. A meter is a device that measures an electrical quantity and displays the result as a numeric value. Common meters include voltmeters, ammeters, and wattmeters. An SWR meter measures standing wave ratio, and multimeters combine several measurement functions into one instrument. What type of circuit controls the amount of voltage from a power supply? B. Regulator. A voltage regulator controls or regulates the output voltage of a power supply to maintain it at a desired stable level. Without regulation, the output voltage would vary with load changes and input fluctuations. Regulators can be simple, like linear diode or three-terminal regulator, IC, or complex switching circuits. What component changes 120 volt AC power to a lower AC voltage for other uses? D. A transformer. A transformer changes voltage levels using electromagnetic induction. Two coils wound around a common core transfer energy magnetically. The turn ratio determines whether voltage goes up, or down, step down. A transformer works only with AC. The changing current creates the changing magnetic field needed for induction. Which of the following is commonly used as a visual indicator? C. LED. An LED or light-emitting diode is commonly used as a visual indicator because it emits light when forward current passes through it. LEDs are used as power indicators, signal indicators, and status lights in virtually all modern electronic equipment. They are efficient, long-lasting, and available in many colors. Which of the following is combined with an inductor to make a resonant circuit? D. A capacitor. A capacitor combined with an inductor creates a resonant or tuned circuit. At the resonant frequency, energy oscillates between the inductor's magnetic field and the capacitor's electric field. This is the basis for frequency selection in radio receivers and transmitters. The resonant frequency depends on the values of L and C. What is the name of a device that combines several semiconductors and other components into one package? C. Integrated circuit. An integrated circuit, or IC, combines multiple semiconductors, transistors, and diodes, and other components, resistors, and capacitors, into a single miniaturized package. ICs revolutionized electronics by making complex circuits small, reliable, and inexpensive. Modern ICs can contain billions of transistors. What is the function of component 2 in figure T1? C. Control the flow of current. Component 2 in figure T1 is a transistor, and its function is to control the flow of current. A transistor uses a small input signal at the base to control a larger current flow between collector and emitter. This control function enables both switching and amplification in electronic circuits. Which of the following is a resonant or tuned circuit? A. An inductor and a capacitor in a series or parallel. An inductor and a capacitor connected in series or parallel form the resonant tuned circuit. At resonance, energy oscillates between the inductor's magnetic field and the capacitor's electric field at a specific frequency. This LC circuit is fundamental to radio. It selects the desired frequency from all the signals present. Some of the key takeaways from T6D Component Functions. A rectifier converts AC to DC using diodes, first stage, and power supplies. Relay, an electrically controlled switch, small current controls a larger circuit. Voltage regulator maintains constant output voltage from a power supply. A transformer changes AC voltage levels using electromagnetic induction. Resonant circuit, inductor plus capacitor, LC circuit, tunes to a specific frequency. A shielded wire prevents unwanted signal coupling and acts as a Faraday cage.